Students, we are learning banking company final accounts. Today's topic is what is non-performing asset and creation of provision for bad and doubtful debts in banking company. What is non-performing asset? If any customer unpaid his loan amount and its interest amount for more than 180 days, it is termed as non-performing asset. Now we learn creation of provision for doubtful debts in banking company as per RBI guidelines. On 31st March 1998, Bharat Commercial Bank Limited finds its advances classified as follows. So, the bank's loans and advances classified as under standard asset, substandard asset, doubtful assets. Doubtful assets, we have two categories. Doubtful asset secured, one more is doubtful asset unsecured. Now we learn provision in relation to doubtful asset secured. Doubtful for 1 year, doubtful for 1 to 3 years, doubtful for more than 3 years. Then loss assets. Calculate the amount of provision is to be made by the bank against the above mentioned advances. Yes students, I have 4 column, particular amount given in the question, percentage of provision required, then created provision. Yes, first one standard assets. First one standard assets, value given in the question 14,91,300. On that we should provide 0.25%. On that we should provide 0.25 percentage. So 14,91,300 multiplied 0.25%, which is 3,728 rupees. Then second one substandard assets. Second one is substandard assets. The value given 92,800. On that we should provide 10%, which is 9,280. Then doubtful assets. Doubtful assets secured. Doubtful asset secured. Doubtful for 1 year. Doubtful for 1 year. Value 25,660. On that we should provide 20%. So 25,660 multiplied by 20%, 5,132. Then doubtful for 1 to 3 years. Doubtful for 1 to 3 years. The value given in the question 15,640. On that we should provide 30% provision. So 15,640 multiplied by 30%, value 4,692. Then doubtful for more than 3 years. Doubtful for more than 3 years. Doubtful for more than 3 years, value 6,580. On doubtful for more than 3 years, we should provide 50% provision. So 6,580 multiplied by 50%, value 3,290. Then we have loss assets. The value 10,350. On that we should provide 100% provision, 10,350. The total provision, by adding the provision column we will get total. So 3,728 plus 9,280 plus 5,132 plus 4,692 plus 3,290 plus 10,350. The total provision required 36,472. These total provision should be deducted from loans and advances in the balance sheet asset side. The same will be included in profit and loss account under provisions and contingency. Here we learned the treatment of doubtful asset secured. If doubtful assets unsecured, doubtful asset unsecured is given, 100% provision is to be made. Students, we learned the meaning of non-performing asset and creation of provision for doubtful debts as per RBI guideline in this class. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.